Hello everyone, Von Marie here. Look at this beautiful mood challenge for the Not Too Shabby shop for July. So we have a beautiful color inspiration as well as a mood board. So there are options for you to join this challenge. And I'm going to go through the Birds in Paradise ephemera here. And it's so pretty. And this is also part of the box of the month. So if you are subscribed, then you would have gotten this ephemera. Isn't it so cute? And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe, and it's for the box of the month membership. And so super pretty. I know you can still probably get these items possibly if you're not subscribed, but I know it's limited, so it's a good idea to get subscribed. So here are some leaves, and I love the flamingos. I just fell in love with these ephemera pieces as soon as I seen them. I'm barely going through them right now with you, so really cute. I was super excited and I just wanted to share all of them and get Jamie's sticker out there. And so this is the Birds in Paradise 6x6 paper pad, and it's double-sided, and let me see, you get 12 designs 6x6. And let me just tell you that all these patterns are so beautiful, and I'm a paper hoarder, so it's very hard for me to use beautiful paper. I love it, but I'm so glad we have not double, but extra designs. So I'm going to go with those two 6x6 papers. I'm using some colored cardstock. I'm bringing in my big trimmer. I just recently found my small one, and I know Lynn had this trimmer, and I had asked her about it one time. So thank you, Lynn, because I still use this trimmer every day. And so I'm using some blue and yellow cardstock, and I am going to cut some squares. So I'm cutting 2-inch squares, so they'll be 2-inch by 2-inch, and I'm doing 3 of those for my A2 card today. And it's a simple design, but I think it's really cute and pretty. And so I hope you will like it, and I also hope you join this challenge because it's so much fun, and I will love to see what you create, because I do love to comment. And so here is what I had first decided, and this blue cardstock is A2 size. So 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm going to cut this pattern paper from the Birds of Paradise to be 4 by 5 1/4, so that I could layer it on that blue cardstock. And I thought that looked really pretty, and I'm trying to go with the colors for the inspiration. But if you don't have any colored cardstock, just try and do your best with the mood. Maybe the pictures from the mood board will inspire you. If you have any questions, you can let me know. There is all the details on the blog post, and you can always go back and see how other challenges, what everyone created. I like to do that sometimes, just to make sure I'm doing it right. So this pattern paper, I love these stripes. I'm cutting them 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and I can put those details in the description in case you want to create the same design, which is something I just thought of really quick. I like to wing it with my projects. I don't write anything down. I do write my details after my card, but before my card, no. And I'm trying to see what ephemera I'm going to use. And so I love that cute little bird. He's so cute. I love, I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's really cute. And I wanted to add the pineapple And then this sentiment I printed and downloaded from the Yum Yum digital hamster stamp set from Jamie used to do, well, she still has her digital stamps on her inner shop, so I used to be on her design team for digital stamps, and so that's why I have some of those. And so here is my A2 card base, and it's 110 pounds, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'm adding my blue cardstock there, and then I will be gluing everything together. I'm using liquid glue, and the only thing I will be popping up, I believe, is my sentiment, but I could be wrong. And I love that paper on that side as well. It's so hard to glue on that one. But I love the quality of this paper. So pretty and very, very nice. So I'm just going to layer my squares, and I went with the 2 squares because I felt like that went better for this A2 card base, or card. And I'm so happy. This is my first video for Not Too Shabby challenge team, so yay, I'm so excited. And I love challenges, and I would enter them all the time, and I'm still going to be entering them, so they're fun. And when you are not knowing what to create, they help get you with colors or just different inspiration pictures that help your mind think. And so I like that, when you can go in your stash and you're like, oh, okay, I can use this. And I'm adding foam tape to this bird, I guess. and I always add, or I try and remember to add liquid glue in the back of my foam tape, just in case, hoping that there are no problems later on with this card. If my recipient keeps this card forever, that would be great. And I'm just going to add some greenery in there. And I love that you get so many pieces in the ephemera, and it's easy, you don't have to color, but that's what I love about the ephemera. It's super cute and fun and easy, and I love that when card making. I do love to color though. So, but I do love ephemera a lot. So, and I added that foam tape. Here's my liquid glue, and then I will place that in the center there. Add my last square, and when you do make your card, just link it to the Not Too Shabby blog, and I will have that down below. And also not link it, but also share it in the Facebook group. We'd love to see it. I would love to see it. And so yeah, and good luck, and you can win a $15 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop, which is amazing. I love all her products. So, and so much is on my wish list. It's super long. So, adding foam tape to the pineapple here. So I should have known that. I have the card right next to me. And last thing I'm going to be doing is adding some glitter with my glitter pen. I've been liking that a lot lately, adding it to my pattern paper, adding it to my ephemera. So I will do that for this card. And I just love these colors, super cute and fun, and who wouldn't want to receive a card with this cute bird? So here is my glitter pin, and that finishes this card. So I hope you like my card. I had so much fun making it, and thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see your card. So yay! See you soon. Also, I forgot to mention you have 1 month, the whole month of July, to complete your card for the challenge. So good luck and have fun.
Oh, every month a brand new board, pretty colors, themes galore. Get inspired, make a card, creativity's your reward. No